This video, I'm going to show you how to edit your About You page. Did you know the About You, or whatever we want to call it, is the third most visited site on a realtor's website? So if you have this generic About You website and About You page, don't, all right? You are an individual. Make sure you stand out. Make sure you stand out from your team, from your brokerage, from the industry. So you do need to to update your About You. Otherwise, it's just going to look generic and pathetic. So if you haven't done so, like, subscribe, and share. Let's get on. All right. So what you want to do is you want to go to page. And again, too, just a friendly reminder, if you want to edit any of these pages, you just actually click on it. This little gear button right here, all that does is change the name. So if you want to rename it, there you go. But I'm going to show you in a different video. Okay. Go through, let's go about the about and then about David. So it opens up this page right here. Now this pulls in me, right? So if I'm going to edit this, you actually click the agent that you want or add an agent, but I don't have any agent. I'm a solo agent. But if you're on a team or if you run a team or whatever, this is where you can add more agents to your page. But since it's just me, I just have meet me. And you're probably wondering how come this pulls this information? This pulls it from that when you created your agent. So if you go back under settings, team info, agents, so right here. So if you don't like what you see, go ahead and edit this. This is where you add your Zillow. This is where you add your self-introduction, some personal photos, all those cool things. All right, let's go back. Hope you're having a great day. All right, here we go. So that's where you put that. And then this is where I added my mission, vision, and core values. If you don't have one, get one. If you don't know how to do it, send me a message. David@imperialhometeam.com, or just my information is down below. Send me a message and I'll help you create one, because you really want a mission and vision and core values, because when you see that, it's telling your buyers and sellers and your website visitors that you're really a business and you have your shit straight. So this is mine. So I put that there. And then I have some services, my seller services and buyer services. So if I edit this, you can change the picture, you can change the font. You can't really see it right now, but I don't have a title. That's why. And then you can kind of go through, and here's their buyer services, and you put a little description. So when somebody picks, you can have it go to a URL, or you can trigger registration. I have it go to the URL, and I have it going like this one goes to the sellers, this one goes to the buyers. And then I have it open a new page. Okay. But that's neither here nor there. So this is column 1. Column 2 is the seller. So, okay. You should have that on there. A little brief description about that. And then, of course, your reviews, and then just the footer. This footer automatically gets pulled. It automatically puts your app there. If you want to add more to this page, you can go over here again. You can click this little block so you can add things. But really, don't overwhelm them. You should have you, because you want them to go to you. And then you should have your mission and vision and core values. And then your services. Maybe you do investing, maybe you do flipping. You can have as many as you want to. Just put down your services and why you're better than anybody else. Make sure you have your reviews. Now, you're probably curious, what does this page look like? Well, I'll show you. So you go to the drop down. If you go to About David, so it pulls this up. This is what it looks like. It's live. So if I click go to our services, it's going to open up Sell My House. But if I go up here, and this is where so if you have multiple people, or just me, as you can see, my icon gets to be a hot button. So if they click my mugshot, it's going to open up my personal. So it's going to pull up any photos that I put up here. There's Tammy and Karen. Those are our dogs. It's just going to pull up pictures I have uploaded. It's going to talk about you. One thing too is you should have a unique value proposition. This is mine right here. Nobody else can say that. If you don't have one, let me know. This was edited multiple times over the course of weeks, because I'm guessing right now, if I asked you what makes you unique, you're probably going to give me a job description. I'll treat you like family. I help people buy, sell, and invest. Well, that's baloney. Everyone says that. It should be unique to you. So that's a unique value proposition. Then I have my personal stuff just about me, how I got into real estate. Um, I'm married, all those fun things, what I like to do, contact information, and it just pulls up some of my sold listings. So yeah, so that's where it's so important to have a good agent profile and a good about you page, because you want people to learn about you, to go to your site, to check things out. And if there's no picture here, or if it's generic, they're going to wonder if you're still in business. Make sure you do this. All right. If you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next video.